Another rainy night in Neo Tokyo. The city never sleeps, even in the rain.
Welcome back to the channel. What if you could create cinematic AI videos without cameras, actors, or editing software? In this video, I will show you exactly how to generate professional AI videos step by step using Higsfield, including the exact prompts I use and how each model works together. If you can describe a scene, you can turn it into a cinematic video. Let's start from the beginning. What is Higsfield? Higsfield is an all-in-one AI video creation platform designed for creators. Instead of using separate tools for images, animation, voice, and sound effects, Higsfield combines everything into one simple workflow. Inside the platform, you get access to powerful AI models such as Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, 2.5, and Cinema Studio. This makes Higsfield one of the most affordable and creator-friendly AI video generators available. Step 1. Login and project setup. First, open the Higsfield website and log into your account. Once you reach the dashboard, click on Create New Project. Choose your video format. Landscape 16 by 9 is best for YouTube. Vertical 9 by 16 is best for shorts and reels. For this example, select landscape format. Now your project is ready. Step 2. Image creation using Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana Pro is used to generate high-quality cinematic images. Select a resolution of 2K or 4K for the best visual quality. Now, enter the image prompt. Image prompt: a cinematic close-up shot of a futuristic city at night. Glowing neon lights, light rain reflecting on the street. Ultra-realistic, shallow depth of field. Cinematic lighting, high contrast, film still quality, professional movie frame, 4K resolution. Generate the image and wait for the result. Once the image appears, check the lighting, composition, and clarity of the scene. If the image looks good, move to the animation step. Step 3. Image to video using Kling 2.6 Audio. Now, we turn the image into a moving video using Kling 2.6 Audio. This model adds camera motion, scene movement, voice, and background sound in a single render. Motion prompt: slow cinematic camera push forward, subtle rain movement, soft neon light flicker, realistic motion, smooth camera movement, atmospheric mood. Click Generate Video and wait for the final result. You now have a cinematic video with synchronized motion and sound.
Another rainy night in Neo Tokyo. The city never sleeps, even in the rain. Another rainy night in Neo Tokyo.
Step 4. Creative content using 2.5. 2.5 is best for bold and unrestricted creative videos. It supports internet-style language, cultural references, and dramatic storytelling. 2.5 prompt: a dramatic cinematic shot of a lone hacker typing in a dark room. Glowing computer screens, intense mood, fast camera pan, cyberpunk style, realistic motion, synced voice dialogue. 2.5 can generate longer clips and works well for viral short-form content. Step 5. Full film workflow using Cinema Studio. Cinema Studio is Higsfield's complete filmmaking pipeline. Everything flows from text to image, image to video, and final render without switching tools. Cinema Studio prompt: establishing shot of a futuristic city skyline at night. Wide cinematic view, slow drone-style camera movement, anamorphic lens look, soft cinematic lighting, dramatic atmosphere, film-grade visuals. Choose a cinematic camera profile, an anamorphic lens, and slow controlled camera movement. This ensures visual consistency across all shots. final export and use cases. Once your video is finished, export it in full HD quality. You can use these AI-generated videos for YouTube content, advertisements, storytelling projects, and short-form platforms. No advanced editing skills are required. Outro. If you want cinematic AI videos without complexity, Higsfield is one of the best platforms to try. Check the link in the description to get started. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you want more AI prompts and workflows. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.